Welcome to Teddy's Kitchen. I'm making meatloaf today. A couple pounds of hamburger, regular ground. I will have to skim it off the cookware from the oven because there's going to be grease on top. I'll do that in about an hour. I got the mushrooms cut up here. I got a can of tomato soup and tomato paste and breadcrumbs. I'm going to mix all this together. Oh, and I'm going to add some seasoning salt to it. You can add onions if you want. I'm going to first mix up the hamburger. And I'll add the tomato, make it a little bit and I'll add the tomato paste. I use about half of the little can. I'll just use the whole thing here. I use the whole can. These gloves aren't working too great. They're sticking all over the place here. Look at that. I should have worn the other ones. I have blue ones. Seems I got quite a bit of sauce in there. Okay, I'm gonna add the egg. It'll make it even wetter. I might as well add the mushrooms now too. Slip that off. Now I can add the crumbs. And I'll use it all. Just a few more breadcrumbs in there. Okay, that's it. Grab a big spoon here. Oh yes, it doesn't matter what spoon. That's just tomato paste, and this is the leftover soup. And that might not be enough on the top. There. Yeah, it looks better now. Seasoning salt I'll put on the top. Bake it 325 for at least an hour and a half, at least. And if you got a thermometer, it's 160 when it's done. I got my meat thermometer out, and the meatloaf's been in there for about an hour and a half. Oh, I gotta back up the camera a bit. It's in the way of the stove. Okay, I'll bring it up. Uh, 160 is about done. It's been 5 minutes now. That's what it looks like. Maybe it'll be better after the first one was taken out. There it is. And got potatoes.